Welcome to our channel where we break down the easiest ways to fix Venmo payment errors. Without any fuss or confusion, welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how you can quickly resolve those annoying Venmo payment errors and get your transactions flowing smoothly again and again. Many users face issues with their Venmo payment not going through or showing errors. We will walk you through each step clearly so you can fix the problem with ease. The first thing to check is your internet connection weak or unstable. Connection often causes payment failures. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly and try again. Next, verify your account details. Go to your Venmo profile and confirm that your payment method, linked bank account or debit cards are active and have sufficient funds. Insufficient balance or expired cards can cause errors. If you recently changed your password or security settings, re-log into your Venmo account, as session errors sometimes block payments. Also, update your Venmo app to the latest version from the App Store. Outdated app versions can cause compatibility issues, resulting in payment errors. After updating, restart the app and check if the issue persists. Another common reason is pending or blocked transactions. Open the Venmo app and look under your transaction history. If you see pending payments or declined transactions, clear them by retrying or canceling. You can also try logging out and then back in to refresh your session. Clearing the app cache might help if you use an Android device. Navigate to your device settings, find Venmo under Apps, and clear its cached data. This action can resolve hidden bugs or glitches. Finally, if none of these steps work, reach out to Venmo support via their help center or social media channels. They usually respond quickly and can offer solutions tailored to your specific issue. Remember, these step-by-step checks will cover most common Venmo payment errors. Keeping your app updated, monitoring your account info, and ensuring a stable connection will save from many troubles. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix your Venmo payments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tech guides.